So this is a new lesson with ANSYS Fluent. So our final objective is to simulate the fluid flow in a straight pipe. So go to fluid flow, Fluent problem, click on geometry, new design modular geometry. In order to generate accurate results, we need much better mesh. So with the expectation to create a fine mesh, we have to define our geometry in an appropriate way. Before going into anything else, go to units, make it millimeters, click XY plane, click on look at and new sketch. Go to sketching tab and find the circle. Click on circle and draw the circle. Define the dimensions. Since it is a half-inch pipe in diameter, which means 25.4 in millimeters. Go to the concept tab, surfaces from sketches. The base object is the sketch one and generate. Now click on XY plane and a new sketch. Go to sketching, polygon, make it 4. And now define the dimensions. I will give it 8 millimeters. And now go to the draw tab, click on line and draw lines like this. Now you can use the trim tool in the modify tab to remove the excess length of the line. And now go to tools and click on face split. The target face is this whole face, the circle face, and tool geometry. Select the section filter edges and click on these edges by holding the control button and click generate. So you can see there will be 5 faces. Click on ZX plane, new sketch, sketching, line, define the dimensions. The length of the pipe is 100 millimeters, which means 10 centimeters. Now you can use the sweep tool section filter faces, profile, select the base face and the path. Make sure to select add frozen here and click generate. So you can repeat this operation for these faces as well. Now you can see there are 6 solid bodies with a surface body like this. We don't need the surface body, so we suppress it, and there are 5 solid bodies. Select all these solids and make it one part. So that's all for the modeling section. The next video will be about the meshing section.